Hello, dear students. So, this side your physics mentor and teacher, Professor Jitesh Jain here. So, I hope you people are enjoying the subject. After a long period of time, we have met after the holidays and your exams. So, today we are going to start with the very important part of physics, and that is the magnetic effects of the electric current. So, students, this chapter is important for those students also who want to pursue the science in their higher education, particularly in the class 12th. This chapter is there. Now, dear students, this chapter is very interesting because various kind of devices also which will come into your daily life, you come across in your daily life, are also associated with the magnetic effects of the electric current, dear students. So let us understand first that what does this magnetic effects of the electric current aims at. So let us start by using a wonderful demonstration which I am giving you right now. Okay, and that is one of the very good animated video which by which we are going to understand a small part of this explanation to you people. So see, in the year 1880, there was a physicist whose name was the Hans Christian Ørsted, right? This Hans Christian Ørsted was a German physicist. He has done one experiment, accidentally one experiment. What he has done, that he has taken a magnetic compass, dear students. What is magnetic compass? It is a device whose needle always points towards the geographic north of the earth, right? This is the magnetic compass. This is used by the sailors, you know this, right? You might have come across the word magnetic compass in your social sciences also, especially in the geography. So he has taken an electric circuit. Mr. Oersted has taken an electric circuit near to this compass. That was a battery. There is a bulb. There is a switch in this circuit. Right. What he has done, he has passed the electric current through this circuit. Right. It will be shown in this animation, dear students. That is when he passed the electric current, what he observed, that the needle of this magnetic compass is starts showing the deflection. It is showing the deflection. Right. It will show the deflection. Now, dear students, the magnetic compass needle is showing the deflection. Why? Because there is some kind of effect which is created near it. What is that effect? That is a question here. Now, dear students, this magnetic compass needle under a normal situation, whenever you keep it right on the earth, it will try to give you the geographic north of the earth. Exactly, it will try to point towards the geographic north of the earth, right? But in the case when there is some other kind of magnet available near to this compass needle will not going to show you that particular part. It will show some deflection, right? Okay, so what is happening here, this when this current is passed, as you can see here in this animation, this magnetic compass needle is showing the deflection. And when it is showing the deflection, dear student, that means that there is a presence of some kind of magnetic effect near to this compass. So this particular thing is known as what? This effect is known as the magnetic field, right? It is very important word, magnetic field, right? So when we pass the electric current through the enclosed circuit, then what is going to happen? The magnetic field is created near it. This is the very important part of this particular chapter, right? That whenever we pass the electric current to the enclosed circuit, then what is going to happen? The magnetic field is created near the circuit. Now let us understand, let us see one more thing here, right? We have done what? We have taken a nail, iron nail, and we have wrapped a wire, copper wire around it, and there is what? There is again a battery, right? So what is going to happen, that through this particular nail here, as you can see here, let us just shift towards the animation part little bit faster, right? What I have done, there are some kind of pins here, right, which is kept near to this. And when the current is passed, dear students, let us see that I will pass some kind of current in this. When this current is passed, you can see that this nail will attract these pins, right? Iron pins. Now why these pins are being attracted, why this nail is attracting the pins? The reason is the magnetic field. This is when the current is passed, the sufficient amount of magnetic field is created in this nail, so it is attracting the nails, iron pins here, right? The magnet, it is behaving like a magnet here. Okay, so this is basically known as what? The electromagnet, right? This iron nail will behave like an electromagnet here, right? Now, dear students, one more thing which I want to tell you, right? That is also very important. Okay, let us understand that thing also, right? Little bit I will run the animation little bit more. so that you can understand the thing which I want to make you understand, right? Suppose I have a copper wire here, I have a key here, this is a lab activity. And if I'm also going to show you one more thing, dear students, this time, that I'm going to show you some kind of live activities also, okay, by using the physics lab. So dear students, just an example I'm giving you for that particular activity. See, this is a battery, right? And I have a key with me, I have a cardboard and I have copper wire. I have arranged this thing like this, right? The similar activity I'm going to show you the live also. I will also make the video of this live activity and show it to you, dear students. So what is going to happen that when I pass the I will keep some kind of copper fillings, right, on this particular cardboard. Let us see that iron fillings I have kept here, and when I pass the electric current through this copper wire, right, I have kept the iron fillings here, okay, and I pass the electric current, and this iron fillings will arrange in the form of the concentric circles. So why these iron fillings are in the form of concentric circles? The reason is again the magnetic field. The charge is moving when we pass the electric current, so iron fillings are going to arrange the concentric circle. That means what? The magnetic field which is created near to this particular circuit is also in the form of the concentric circles. So that is important. So whenever we pass the electric charge near to in the circuit, then what is going to happen? The concentric magnetic field lines are created near to the electric circuit. So dear students, much more theoretical part we are going to study in the theory now, right? We are also going to study this experiment and much more things like magnetic forces and all. So please watch the upcoming lectures and we will discuss it in the coming lectures. I hope you like this lecture. Also, I'm going to present you the live activities also in the forthcoming lectures. Thank you so much, dear students. I hope you like this lecture. Thank you, everybody. Please do the assignment and also write the notes in your notebook. Thank you.